In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode on SofaScore, or how you can turn on light mode on SofaScore. So you change your theme on SofaScore. Very simple and easy. So all you need to do is tap on your profile. So you can see that at the bottom right side of your screen. So tap on that profile there, and at the top right side of your screen too, you can see a setting button there. Just tap on that there. Good. So on here, you can see preferences. Just tap on that. Under the general preferences, you tap on preferences and you can see the app theme currently is on light. So let's tap on the light here. Good. Let me scroll this on top and you can see light and dark. Now I choose dark. The app is going to restart and we are on the dark. And now I move back to my light. I prefer lighter. Good. So that's it on how you switch your app theme or change to dark mode or white mode or light mode on SofaScore app. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.